Let's try to group the substances by comparing their physical properties. Let's do it with one of the physical property called malleability. Malleability is a substance's ability to deform under pressure without breaking. We have taken samples of metals such as iron, copper, aluminium and gold and non-metals such as coal and sulfur, and a hammer to hit the samples. Hit each sample with a hammer multiple times and observe the change in shape of the samples. We can see that metals are deformed without breaking. Further, they can be beaten into thin sheets, whereas non-metals break, so they can't be used to form sheet-like structures. This property of substances being able to deform without breaking is called malleability. We find that metals are malleable and non-metals are not malleable. In this way, we can differentiate between metals and non-metals with this property.